Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Open Laser project. This is an amazing project. This project have future potential exponential growth with stability and new AI blockchain technology. Open Laser is the AI blockchain unlocking liquidity to monetize data, models and agents. Open Laser is the first and only blockchain purpose built for it as a research and engineering driven AI startup pioneering the future of decentralized AI. They focus on building specialized AI models and a robust trust framework. Their unique proof of attribution mechanism based on Stanford research enable verifiable ownership and rewards for data contribution, fostering collaborative AI development. By combining cutting edge innovation with decentralized principles, OpenLaser is enabling the next generation of specialized AI agents and app to be smarter. OpenLaser reimagines AI development as a community-driven process where contributors are incentivized and every action is auditable. Its focus on attribution and decentralized ownership contrasts sharply with closed AI ecosystem. Purpose of OpenLaser project: OpenLaser addresses the lack of transparency and fairness in centralized AI systems. It enables users to upload datasets, train models, and earn rewards when their contributors are used. Unlike OpQ operates AI, every input is logged on chain via proof of attribution, ensuring traceability and fair compensation. Here is the achievement of OpenLaser. A company from South Korea, MarbleX, a public listed gaming company, made a treasury allocation into Open, the native token of OpenLaser, and its native token Open is at the heart of this new economy. The much anticipated Open token went live on September 18, and it has not just launched quickly, it's made history. Open has been listed on more than 23 plus leading global exchanges, including giants like Binance, Upbit, Bithumb, Kraken, and many others. That puts OpenLaser among the very few AI blockchain projects to break into Tier 1 exchanges right from day one. And the number they speak for thin slabs. On its very first day of trading, Open surged past a $1.8 billion valuation. That's not just momentum, that's validation from the global market according to website. So OpenLaser project have total supply of 1 billion Open token and circulating supply is 215.5 million Open token. Now you can trade OpenLaser token on different centralized and decentralized exchanges. So if you want to trade this token on centralized exchanges, then you can trade now on Binance, KuCoin, BingX and other popular exchanges like Kraken, Bithumb. And if you want to buy and trade Open token on decentralized exchanges, then you can buy and trade this token on PancakeSwap and Uniswap with USDT. So guys, in this video, I have shared all the information from online sources. Please always do your own research before investing. I am not a financial advisor. Thanks for watching.